Well, this here's a black lights I have ordered off Amazon. Just small, the 10 watts. This here in a bag. Ordered these. That's what it's called. 10 watt IP65. You gotta wire them up to a to your battery. I hooked it onto this so I could plug it into my adapter I have running to my starting battery. But I put this on this pole here. I have a regular floodlight LED here, and I put this one on here. This extends up. See if I can do it here. By using this push button right here. Sorry about my fingers in the way. Trying to do this by myself. Try this again. And it goes up pretty good. And I can spin this. I use the pedestal base for a seat in my boat, and I stick this down inside of it, and I can raise it up and down how far I want. I wired this up, and I got this plastic casing here for electric, and I put me a switch on it. I put Velcro on it. It's supposed to stay right here, but it's not staying, so I'm going to have to get a clamp to put right there. And I can control both lights. When I catch one, all I got to do is just turn this one on right here, my LED. But this one over here works fine, and I'll show it to you in the boat. I may need to use the other one, so we'll have to see when we get on the water. But I just used this drywall sanding attachment and drilled holes in it to mount each light. And you can move them whichever way you want to. But you can adjust each one however you want to. Like that right there. So it's gonna be really cool on the boat. Like I said, I may have to get another adapter for here, make it longer, and put one on each side, sticking out. That way I can control on both sides. But we'll see when I go fishing in a couple days. Yes, sir. Got my black lights on. This should be really good for the next upcoming night adventure out looking for cats. I love it. Can't wait to get on the river. Test them out. Should be fun. Look at the slime line. Glowing. Oh boy. Can't wait. I may have to put another light up here. I got two of them, So it should be good. Then, if I catch a fish, I can flip this button right here and spin this around to land it or whatever. I can just spin it just like this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. Yeah. Nice. I love it. Can't wait to get out. A little switch box here. I'll do some more video on how I made this later down the road, as soon as I can get out of my carport and raise this thing up, see how much of one of these lights right here that I ordered on Amazon do. When I have it raised up, it should only take one, but I have two, and I can make a bracket up there and I can point them both out, so it'll be great. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching.